We are going to be doing an upside down sky. I know it doesn't make sense, does it? So let me show you what I mean. Let me see if I can bring that window right over here. There we go. So I took two landscape photos, and basically what I did was like flipped one, then blended them both in together. So it looks like a very surreal photo of a city landscape and just like a plain desert landscape. Okay, pretty easy project, but let me show you how to do this. Okay, so if you want to start from scratch, let's do that. I'm doing a combination of two images. Like I saved one, said I want to lose it, and then I have the other image right here. Um, so I did my image search for a city landscape. And it should be something that is the same sky, like the same, like taken at the same time, almost the same time frame as the previous photo. So you don't want to have like a sunset photo and then like a morning photo at the same time. It should, both of the photos should be taken around the same time and have the same color scheme and everything like that, just so they can kind of blend together, right? And it should be like for the city landscape photos, should be like a silhouette. Like this would be actually be pretty good um, to use, but it's taken at the wrong time. So this is probably a good photo to use, right? So, uh, so we got to go to Pixlr first and use Pixlr E, and we're gonna open one photo. Actually, instead of using the Australian one, we're going to open this one. I used it. I was trying to use it for an example, but I want to use it again. So this is kind of similar to our landscape. Alright. Oh, this is a bad photo. It's too pixelated. I'm going to close it. That was a bad idea. Let me open an image. I'm going to go by the one that I saved on my computer. Okay. And what I'm going to do, just to kind of save time with selecting and importing and all that stuff, I'm going to go to layer and add URL as layer. And I'm going to copy the image address from here and paste right to here. So yeah. So like whenever you know that you're going to work with two layers, two different photos in the same space, and you're going to have two different layers, you can always go to the layers window and then add a photo from the URL, or add it from like a new photo. I think there's an option on here. Add image as layer. You look for the image. So just so you don't have to do the whole copy and pasting, selecting, copy and pasting. Like in like photo one, right? So I have my city landscape, but we gotta flip it upside down. So I'm stretching it out a little bit, and we're gonna use the flip vertical, so you can flip it like that. And then we are also gonna go to edit free transform, but there's a command for that. So it's command or control R as in robot. There you go. And you can't, oops, I was trying to close that advertisement. My bad. Let me close it again. Control R. There you go. You can stretch it out that way. And move it at the same time. And you can also kind of smush it too if you want. Like right there, maybe. Move it a little bit out. The other one I didn't do that. So this is like my second shot at this. So press enter to accept the changes. And now you're going to take that eraser tool and you're going to make it the opacity like about there, and bring down the softness of it, so we could get some some of the original photo in there. And we're just gonna basically get rid of this seam right here without it being too noticeable. No, oh my goodness, noticeable. Oops, I'm a little bit too far there. So you just kind of go through and erase some of it so you can blend it in like that. And there you go. There you have it, folks. You have a upside down city landscape photo, surreal photo, whatever you want to call it. It looks pretty cool. Okay. So, and then you just go and save it. And then you're done. So if you got questions, email me at the school email, which is erica.rosser@desertsands.us. You could also do 1, 2, 3 photo skills, but I don't really check it very often. And just, thanks for watching, and make sure you subscribe.